Before starting to use Coagulation Factor IX, Recomb, kit, make sure to read the Patient Information Leaflet from your pharmacist. This medication is given by injection into a vein over several minutes as directed by your doctor. The dosage will depend on your medical condition, weight, and response to treatment. If you are administering this medication at home, be sure to learn all preparation and usage instructions from your healthcare professional. Check the product visually for particles or discoloration before using it, and do not use it if either is present. Make sure to store and discard medical supplies safely. The medication in the vial and the supplies that come with it should be used only once and not reused. It is important to limit the amount of blood entering the tubing and avoid letting any blood enter the syringe for some brands. Consult your pharmacist for details if this occurs. If your condition lasts or gets worse, be sure to inform your doctor. Some common side effects of Coagulation Factor IX, Recomb, kit may include fever, pain at the injection site, chills, headache, flushing, weakness, nausea, or vomiting. If any of these effects persist or worsen, notify your doctor or pharmacist immediately. It's important to remember that this medication has been prescribed to you because your doctor has determined that the benefit to you is greater than the risk of potential side effects. Many people using this medication do not experience serious side effects. Be sure to inform your doctor right away if you experience any serious side effects, such as swelling at the injection site, shortness of breath, fast heartbeat, signs of kidney problems, swelling of the ankles or feet, pain, redness, or swelling of the arms or legs, or new or increased bleeding or bruising. Seek medical help immediately if you experience very serious side effects, including bluish fingers, chest pain, or trouble breathing. While a serious allergic reaction to this drug is rare, seek medical help right away if you notice any symptoms of a serious allergic reaction, such as rash, itching, swelling, severe dizziness, or trouble breathing. It's important to note that this is not a complete list of possible side effects. If you notice any other effects not listed here, contact your doctor or pharmacist. In the US, you can call your doctor for medical advice about side effects, or report them to the FDA at 1-800-FDA-1088 or at www.fda.gov/medwatch. In Canada, you can call your doctor for medical advice about side effects, or report them to Health Canada at 1-866-234-2345. Before using Coagulation Factor IX, Recomb, kit, it's important to inform your doctor or pharmacist if you are allergic to Factor IX products or have any other allergies. This medication may contain inactive ingredients, like latex, which can cause allergic reactions. It's crucial to discuss this with your pharmacist for more details. Additionally, inform your doctor or pharmacist about your medical history, especially if you have other clotting disorders, recent surgery or procedure, and liver disease. If you are planning to have surgery, make sure to inform your doctor or dentist about all the products you are using, including prescription drugs, non-prescription drugs, and herbal products. If you are pregnant, it's important to use this medication only when clearly needed. It's essential to discuss the risks and benefits with your doctor. Lastly, it is unknown if this medication passes into breast milk, so consult your doctor before breastfeeding. It's important to be aware of potential drug interactions that could affect how Coagulation Factor IX, Recomb, kit works or increase the risk of serious side effects. Be sure to inform your doctor and pharmacist of all the products you use, including prescription/non-prescription drugs and herbal products. Do not make any changes to your medication regimen without consulting your doctor. Some products that may interact with Coagulation Factor IX, Recomb, kit include drugs that help with clotting, such as aminocaproic acid and tranexamic acid. Be mindful of these interactions and discuss any concerns with your healthcare provider. If someone has taken too much of Coagulation Factor IX, Recomb, kit and is experiencing severe symptoms like loss of consciousness or difficulty breathing, it is important to seek immediate medical help. In the US, you can call your local poison control center at 1-800-222-1222, and in Canada, you can call a provincial poison control center. It is crucial to act quickly in these situations to ensure the best possible outcome. It's important not to share this medication with others. Your doctor may require you to undergo lab and/or medical tests, such as Factor IX activity, while you are using this medication. It's important to keep all medical and lab appointments. Be sure to consult your doctor for more details. Make sure to take each dose of Coagulation Factor IX, Recomb, kit as prescribed by your doctor. If you happen to miss a dose, consult your doctor or pharmacist immediately for a new dosing schedule. Do not take a double dose to make up for the missed one. Be sure to follow the storage instructions provided with the product and consult your pharmacist if you have any questions. Keep all medications out of reach of children and pets. Do not dispose of this product by flushing it down the toilet or pouring it into a drain unless specifically instructed to do so. Properly discard this product when it is expired or no longer needed, and consult your pharmacist or local waste disposal company for guidance. If you need more help, call your doctor for medical advice. In the US, you call FDA, 1-800-FDA-1088. In Canada, you may call Health Canada, 1-866-234-2345. Wishing you good health. Thanks for watching.